I'm a Service Tech Level 1 apprentice at Riddleberger Brothers.
When I first got here, I was Level 1 service technician. Now I'm a Level 2 service technician.
Started out as the greenest of green PM techs, and now I'm a service team lead and teach the guys everything I can.
So I started out just as a service technician. I was promoted to just a technical advisor. So I got to go run around and help people when they got stuck. I loved that job the most because I love the troubleshooting side of it. I went up to being promoted to a supervisor, and then eventually I was promoted to a service manager. If you want to be tested every day and you want to have training every day, it is a very well-paying career, especially if you get yourself associated with a good company that'll invest in you, and train you, and bring you up to that level.
Riddleberger is a great place to work. It feels like a family here. They're always constantly wanting you to move forward in your career. It never feels like you're stuck.
I like saying that I work in the trades. I feel like that's very fulfilling to me when people say, wow, that's different. I wouldn't have expected that from a woman. It was very intimidating coming in as a woman and having no experience at all. They've been so great to me, and I feel like this is one of the best places to get started. I feel like I've had nothing but people push me to do better because they know I can be great. They've really believed in me, and they've given me more confidence as a person.
I love working at Riddleberger Brothers because it feels like I'm making a difference. I do see myself staying here long term. There's not a lot of jobs where you find that you're happy about everything.
RBI is a great place to work because I feel like everybody has everybody's back. It doesn't matter what level you're at, we're all growing.
I'm excited to build a career at RBI because I feel like I want to stay here for a long time. This is a company that I really enjoy.
RBI has given me a great career. Everything I have right now is because of RBI, from the investment they made in me. And I give that investment right back to them.